final part of the set. Say hi to Ben. Ben's saying hi.
Her beauty is its own color, her curves fulfill its every promise. I'm without trying, but I bend to compliment her outline. Her beauty is its own color, her curves fulfill its every promise. I am without trying, but I bend to compliment her outline. I'm just a man, built a break, filled with hate, abundance and beauty that cannot be put on the film and tape. When the woman appeared and life ended, she's an ethereal flight attendant. I thought that I was reborn and maybe life ended. I just continued to suck on my ice blended and think that she was just mean for adult modeling to make men celebrate. Should have felt a day called following. When the vulgar mammals who want to clip her wings about another bird as a solar panel. And I'm not alone, most men agree. So I abandoned my feelings in a foster home, a place that electromagnet testosterone. But I've never really been that good at hiding. I've loved her since. Asked if she could color print the summer scent, and she did music notes flying out of golden tunnels with a single utterance. My manly roar chill brought to a bleak jump. When faced with this woman with her chlorophyll and sea kelp, her angel's hug, but behind her is her seatbelt. Her beauty is its own color, her colors fulfill its every promise. I am without trying when I bend to compliment her outline. I'm without trying when I bend to compliment her outline. I am without any sanctum. Thank you for being here for me. All of us need open arms to fall into. There's a digital flip on the whimsical nymph whose physical print framed depicts my indigo crypt. I like to die with my head on the bosom and sulk. Sure, and my thought bubble like it was on when it pulp sheets. All I could do was stand there, stealing her strands of hair and put it in my bolt to keep. She was like, we're on the same wavelength. And I was like, oh, you're one of those prima donnas reading melodrama from a teleprompter. The shakes that come, now I know you. You're looking for rats who fornicate at every point on the map on your tour date. Then I put them in your raps and record the tape that may bear a partial truth. But I'm an article sooth and I care to say, after this, you should have been one of the people in here I love very much, and I will always touch you inside of your heart when I come with a unbelievable arc that is not a McDonald's arc, but it's my irresponsible smart art that I've been doing since I was just a little child. Her beauty is its own color, her crucibility, every promise, but that's not really important right now. Lie down in your nightgown and let me tell you a little bedtime story lullaby. I touch the sky and give it to you, and a ring, a little circular motion, and the circumference is between you and me adds up to our age. Blinded and had to rhyme straight, but you didn't want to try to migrate to my part of town. So I had to just put my heart down. Think of a hamburger. A heart in between a sesame seed bun. Let me read some. My resume doesn't have your measurements inside of it, so this testament, let it write a bit, and I will coincide with little bits of information that you gave me about you, about your favorite movie, your favorite time of day, your birthday, your season, and maybe Thursday will be the reason why I would come to see you at the Bloat. Yeah, maybe you showed up, exposed and stuff, and I was just a glazed donut. You were amazed that I blew up. Her curves fulfill its every promise. I'm without trying, but I bend to compliment her outline.